Genesis chapter 11. Now the whole earth had one language and one speech. And it came to pass as they journeyed from the east that they found a plain in the land of Shinar, and they dwelt there. Third verses. Then they said to one another, come, let us make bricks and bake them. Truly, they had brick for stone, and they had asphalt for mortar. Fourth verses. And they said, come, let us build ourselves a city and a tower whose top is in the heavens. Let us make a name for ourselves, lest we be scattered abroad over the face of the whole earth. Fifth verses. But the Lord come down to see the city and the tower which the sons of man and build. 60 verses. And the Lord said, indeed the people are one, and they all have one language, and this is what they began to do. Now nothing that they purpose to do will be withheld from them. 7 verses. Come, let us go down and there confuse their language, that they may not understand one another's speech. 8 verses. So the Lord scattered them abroad from there over the face of all the earth, and they ceased building the city. 9 verses. Therefore its name is called Babel, because there the Lord confused the language of all the earth, and from there the Lord scattered from abroad over the face of all the earth. 10th verses. This is the genealogy of Shem. Shem was 100 years old and begot Arpax 2 years after the flood. 11 verses. After the begot Arpaxad, Shem lived 500 years and begot sons and daughters. 12th verses. Arphaxad lived 35 years and begot Salah. 13 verses. After he begot Salah, Arphaxad lived 4